Technological risk refers to the possible hazards and uncertainties connected with the use of technology in different parts of our life, such as company operations, information systems, infrastructure, and the entire digital landscape. These hazards result from variables such as technology failures, cybersecurity breaches, data breaches, system malfunctions, and the rapid speed of technological innovation. Financial losses, reputational damage, legal challenges, and disruptions to key services are all possible outcomes of technological hazards. Here are some specific examples of technical risks. Cybersecurity breaches. With the increased reliance on technology, cybersecurity breaches have become a big worry. These breaches can result in unauthorized access to sensitive information, data theft, financial fraud, and the disruption of essential systems. Examples include hacking incidents, malware assaults, ransomware attacks, and phishing scams that exploit vulnerabilities in software, networks, or human behavior. Data breach and privacy concerns. Organizations collect and retain massive volumes of sensitive data, such as personal information, financial records, and intellectual property. Data breaches occur when this information is compromised, whether through hacking, insider threats, or unintentional exposures. Data breaches not only cause financial losses, but they can also jeopardize people's privacy, undermine customer trust, and result in legal and regulatory ramifications. System failures and downtime. Failures and downtime can occur in technological systems, including hardware, software, and networks, due to a variety of circumstances such as power outages, hardware malfunctions, software flaws, or programming errors. These failures can disrupt business operations, result in financial losses, and have a negative influence on consumer satisfaction. Examples include website crashes, network outages, and failures in essential infrastructure systems such as transportation or healthcare. Emerging technology risks. As new technologies arise, they bring with them both opportunities and threats. The adoption of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, for example, brings dangers such as biased decision-making algorithms, a lack of transparency, and potential job displacements. Similarly, the growth of Internet of Things, IoT, devices raises worries about data security, privacy, and the possibility of unwanted access or control of linked equipment. Technological disruptions and dependency. Technological breakthroughs have the potential to disrupt conventional industries and business strategies. Organizations that do not adapt to technological developments risk becoming obsolete. Furthermore, there is a risk of over-reliance on technology, with a single point of failure having cascading implications. Severe disruption in cloud computing services, for example, can affect several firms that rely heavily on them. Supply chain and infrastructure vulnerabilities. Technological hazards can affect whole supply chains and essential infrastructure, rather than just individual firms. A cyber assault on a logistics company, for example, can interrupt the movement of goods and harm several organizations. Similarly, flaws in vital infrastructure systems, such as electricity grids or transportation networks, can cause widespread disruptions with serious economic and societal effects. It is critical for enterprises and people to identify and handle technological hazards proactively. This includes establishing effective cybersecurity safeguards, conducting regular risk assessments, maintaining up-to-date on emerging threats and vulnerabilities, and developing contingency plans to mitigate the possible implications of technology hazards. It is essential to note that the likelihood and severity of risk can vary. Some hazards are more likely and have greater potential consequences, whereas others may be less likely or have fewer repercussions. Effective risk management entails evaluating and prioritizing risks based on their likelihood and impact, and implementing the most suitable strategies to mitigate or manage them.